So this morning I get stopped by Concord, North Carolina's finest, Concord Police Department. The guy brings me to the back of the car and he goes, "Sir, I don't know how to tell you this, but there's a warrant for your arrest from 2002. Apparently you rented a movie, Freddy Got Fingered."
"Ooh, you can't hurt me! Not with my cheese helmet!"
Freddy Got Fingered.
"And you never returned it." So there's a civil suit that they process as a criminal case, and we're here to take you to jail. But it's from 14 years ago, and I see you have your daughter, and I think this is ridiculous. They're not out here catching heroin dealers. You know what I mean? They're chasing people for movie rentals from places that don't even exist anymore.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and then click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.